Hello, welcome to Math 116 at UMKC. I will be your instructor for this course. My name is Stephanie Van Ryan. This is an asynchronous course, meaning we will not have scheduled class meetings throughout the week. It is all on your own time. The purpose of this video is to welcome you and to go over the syllabus, the Blackboard, and the WebAssign that we'll be using in this course. So to get started, you can find the welcome video here, and you can also find attached the syllabus here. This is the Blackboard. Anytime you log into Blackboard and you open this course, you'll always be in the Start Here syllabus tab. Your course will start on the first day of the semester. Your WebAssign course will not open until that start date, and that's to give everyone the grace period for getting WebAssign, which is 14 days. So I want to go over the syllabus. If you click on the syllabus here, you should open it as a PDF. Some of the things I want to stress are, since this is an asynchronous course, I'm available pretty much any time if you want to meet up one-on-one. A lot of things are done asynchronously, so if you have a question on the content, we have this kind of virtual classroom, which is the Piazza message board. And you can find the link to Piazza here. If you want to click on the link, it should take you right to the Piazza message board. One of the first assignments is to introduce yourself and put a picture up. And this is a picture of my family here. If we go back to the syllabus, if you should have got a welcome email from Piazza. If you didn't, you can go ahead and click this as a sign-up link. You can call or text me if you're having issues with the course, or you can email me at the umkc.edu email here. I have a virtual office for one-on-one synchronized office hours, and you can enter it here. I will be available Monday at 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. And the reason why I'm available on Monday night is because your assignments are going to be due for the week every Monday at 11:59 p.m. I'm available at other times, and you can schedule an appointment with me in Starfish in Blackboard, or you can send an email and I'll confirm that I'll be available in this virtual office at that time. Tutoring, this is an online course, but you're still free to go to tutoring on campus, or you can actually try our 24/7 online tutoring through NetTuner. It's completely free to you, and there's a link in Blackboard. So you can read the catalog description of the course. The text, the only thing you'll need for this is access to WebAssign, and you can purchase this access online, or you can purchase the access at the UMKC bookstore. This is a Focus B course, and it meets the general education core requirements for Focus B, and you can find the information about the learning objectives here in the syllabus. The course schedule, like I said before, everything will be due at 11:59 p.m. on the next week. So for the first week, this assignments will be due in week 2 that Monday. Week 2 assignments will be due in week 3, and so forth. There are 3 types of assignments in the course. There are homework, quizzes, and exams. And homework is set up for you to receive 6 attempts at each problem for full credit, so you can really get in there and try. Quizzes and exams will both be set up where you get 2 attempts at the problem. The first attempt you'll receive full credit, and the second attempt you'll receive half credit. Grade and assessment will be these percentages, and this based on this letter grade. Piazza will be our methods of correspondence for material type questions, and then Blackboard, you can find announcements, notes, homework assignments, PowerPoints, and then the actual homework, quizzes, and exam in your grade will be in WebAssign. If you ever have any questions or concerns, please let me know. I'm more than willing to be flexible with you guys, and I really want to see you be successful in this course. So at any given week, if you're just having a hard week meeting the deadlines, just send me an email, and I'm more than happy to extend those out so you stay on pace with the course. The rest of the syllabus is resources and policies that UMKC requires that I put in my syllabus, and you can go through and read about the academic calendar and all the fun stuff that I'm required to put in there. I'm going to go back to Blackboard here. There's a few things I want to point out. This start here in syllabus, you can always be navigated back to this video in the syllabus. Week by week, this is probably something you'll want to print off. So I have it here, and so for the summer it's 8 weeks, and the semester it's 16 weeks. So if we open example of a summer semester, these are all the material that will be due this next Monday. So we start on a Monday, and then for week 1 material that'll be due the next Monday. The lectures can be found in, I also gave you, I'm really big about PDFs, printable PDFs. So there will have a printable PDF here. So if you go to the week by week, I really recommend you come here and you print this off and keep it by your computer and kind of check mark things as you go, and that will really help you stay on pace with the course. So if you're in week 2, you want to make sure you check all these things off before we get to week 3. Working ahead is completely fine. The links to the lectures, I will have the printable PDF available there, and so you could save this to printing it. It's not really that beneficial, but if you save it, download it to your desktop, you don't have to go through Blackboard to get the lectures. Right now, UMKC is converting Tegrity into a different system, so I also put links to the YouTube, and YouTube shouldn't give you any problems. You can watch it on your iPad or your computer or your phone or whatever you need to watch it on. I also, going back to Blackboard, I have links to PowerPoint. I have the PowerPoint and the PDFs of the PowerPoint. So if you don't have PowerPoint, you can find the PDF version of the PowerPoint there as well. The next thing I want to show you is WebAssign. If you log into WebAssign before the course starts, you will get the message this class has not yet started and when it will be available. Once the course becomes available, you'll be able to see all the homework assignments and quizzes and exams for the semester. And this is just an example for the purpose of this video. Their due dates will be whatever the due dates are for the course. You should be able to go in homework, quizzes, and exams. There's no lockdown browsers or anything you have to do special, and you should be able to answer question by question. So you can put in valid or invalid, submit answer. Of course you want to watch the lecture because that will go over a lot of homework problems. So you can see on the homework, going back into our homework, how many attempts are in each problem. So you have 6 attempts. If we want to go into a quiz or an exam, we'll go ahead and just look at a quiz, just a random one. You can go in and out of quiz. There's no time limits, and you can still answer it question by question. So you can go through it and take your time. Some of it will be, drop down, some will be check, some will be enter, and things like that. So if you have any questions, let me know. And on a quiz, you're going to have 2 attempts, and you see it doesn't say anything about 10. So let's say I put 1 in here, which does not make sense for this answer. I can submit it. It'll tell me I'm wrong. It'll come up here and say that is not correct. Then I have one more chance. I can change it and submit my second answer. Let's say I'll put 2, which is not the correct answer again. And then it will give me my score up there. So no, and then I'll have no more attempts on this. And you can go through there. If you have any questions on this, again, just please keep me posted. And the exams work the exact same as that. If you go to your home page, you'll see the list of your assignments. You'll also see your grade if you scroll down here. You can click on your grade and it's going to give you a breakdown of your homework percentage, your quiz percentage, your midterm 1, midterm 2, pre-midterm 1, and pre-midterm 2. If you click on your grade, it's going to give you the breakdown because some of them are weighted, 20%, 30%, 20, 25, and 5, and then that will give you your grade there. So you'll be able to access WebAssign by here. You don't have to have a course code or anything else. It will log you in from Blackboard. It knows who you are, and you can get started from there. There's another link to the Piazza message board. Net tutoring, online tutoring, you can find that link here, and you should be able just to go right into NetTutor, and it should know who you are. You might need to sign in depending on your settings, but it's not available in between semesters. So Piazza questions again. If you need to contact me, I've just made this another link. These are the ways you can contact me. You can enter the office hours right from this link. You can do it on your computer or your iOS device or whatever you have there. And I wish everyone the best of luck in the course. I try to be very flexible and understanding with my students. You just need to keep me posted and let me know what's going on. Communication is so key in an asynchronous online course.